Hey there, folks. Welcome to your Edpuzzle assignment. One thing that Kim and I have noticed is that a lot of our reading assignments require you to switch between tabs so that you can read the passage on a PDF and then come back to the Edpuzzle and actually answer the question. And so that's what we're going to practice today. So, just as an example, notice I have an Edpuzzle pulled up. And the first thing I want to make sure that you can do is have your Edpuzzle pulled up and go to a new tab. And if you don't have one, you can hit this plus sign and that opens a new tab. And then I can go to my Google Classroom. I can go to the waffle. Hope maybe I have even a shortcut or something like that. And in my reading classroom, I'm going to go to my reading classroom. Here it is. I have this Edpuzzle Switch-a-roo. The first thing you're going to need to do is open this PDF, not the Edpuzzle link, but this PDF. And then I would even open it with Cami so that you can do some of the tasks I'm going to ask you to do. Okay? So we have it open, I hope. Let me see. It's taking the longest it's ever taken in its whole entire life. Whew, finally. Wow, look at those pictures. Those are amazing. So you have this open. You're not going to see it on my screen anymore because I might ask you some questions about it on the Edpuzzle. And you'll have to know how to switch between, hey, here's my Edpuzzle tab. Here's my PDF tab. I can go back and forth between these two. Okay? So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that I can take up the whole screen. Here we go, or as much of the whole screen as I can. First question, actually first task, this is gonna be a fun one. Switch over, and would you please draw a mustache on Kim? All right, you're back. Those are lovely mustaches. Some of them were curly, nice little handlebar. Some of you maybe made her look really tough. Very cool. Okay, now, second question. What was Robin holding in his hand? Good, you put scissors. Was he gonna cut Kim's mustache? I don't know. Hey, here's another question. What is the fourth word that's written above Robin and to the right of Kim? What's the fourth word of that saying? Good. Best. Right on. Okay. Oh, another drawing one. Would you go back and would you put some boogers and snot coming out of Robin's nose? Ugh. Very good. That made me look. Oh, wait. Achoo! No, just kidding. All right, and let's do another one. What color is the smiley face in the middle? Good. It was yellow. All right. Now, one of the last ones we're going to do, we'll do a couple more because these are kind of fun. Click back over, and what saying is on Kim's coffee cup? Spell it correctly. That means you have to flip back and forth. Make sure it is spelled correctly. Very good. All right. And the last one, what word is written behind Robin's head? And oh, it's not there anymore, but it is on the picture. What word is written right there? Again, flip back and forth. Make sure you're spelling it correctly and including the correct number of exclamation points. All right. Hopefully you did all those. Now you understand, oh, when Robin and Kim give me a passage in Google Classroom of a story like The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing, I can flip back and forth between the passage and my Edpuzzle. And I can write my answer and even just part of my answer in Edpuzzle and then switch back to my Cami and figure out, okay, what's the next line I want to write? Okay, now let's go back to Edpuzzle. I can switch back and forth. That is a useful skill to have as a student. Last thing I want you to do, go back and give Kim a black eye and Robin a black eye. Not that we got in a fight, but we wanted to have a black eye. Why not? All right, see you, everybody.